A water tank holds 1,500 liters of water. If water is flowing out of the tank at a rate of 500 milliliters per second, how long will it take to empty the tank in minutes? In order to solve this problem, we need to first convert the liters of water that the tank is holding into milliliters. Then we need to divide the tank's volume by the rate that the water is flowing out, and then convert the seconds to minutes. We were given 1,500 liters of water, and we want to convert them into milliliters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So to convert liters to milliliters, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. Multiplying through, the liters cancel and leave us with milliliters. We get that 1,500 liters is equivalent to 1,500,000 milliliters. This is now the volume of the tank in milliliters. In order to find out how long it takes the tank to empty, we need to multiply by our rate. Our rate is 500 milliliters per second. We want to know the time, so we put seconds on top, and that is equal to 500 milliliters. Here the milliliters cancel and leave us with seconds. Solving this tells us that it takes 3,000 seconds for the tank to empty. Now we need to convert the 3,000 seconds into minutes in order to get our final answer. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So to convert seconds to minutes, we multiply through our conversion factor of 1 minute to 60 seconds. Here the seconds cancel and leave us with minutes, and we solve to get that it takes 50 minutes for the tank to empty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.